Welcome to a couple of Bunkys. My wife and I recently have gotten new cabinets. Our kitchen is a little smaller than a normal kitchen, and my wife had some ideas in order to make the cabinets more functional. We have this cabinet with a big long area that we're having a hard time getting to when we need. So we plan to go ahead and make a big long pull-out drawer from this cabinet. We're going to be using Baltic birch plywood for the majority of this project, and we're going to be using some walnut trim for accent. Using the table saw, I cut off all of the side pieces that we're going to need. And I cut the bottom out here. And I cut the third wall to the drawer on this cut. I need to take a ½ inch from the back of this board so it doesn't hit the back of the cabinet. I set my fence and cut the two side pieces to length. And then I set up my router table with a flush trim router bit in order to cut a groove into the front of the drawers. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe and ring the bell icon for notifications on future videos. And then I make the cuts. I go over the area a couple times adjusting the fence in order to make sure it is a nice tight fit. I'm using a small cutoff of the plywood to check the fit. I do a dry fit of the two pieces of wood on this little fold-out table. We had selected soft close drawer slides for this project. This specific slide has it so that the drawer actually sits on top. It needs a little bit of a face in order to hide the mechanism. So I've made my face for my drawer. Now I need to attach the sides. I used some glue and a brad nailer in order to attach the sides. And I do the same thing for the front. I decide to go ahead and cut some walnut trim in order to add a little bit of flair to this simple project. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe and ring the bell icon for notifications on future videos. I use my miter gauge on my table saw in order to make 45 cuts on my trim. We also have a merch store where we have made custom t-shirt designs for woodworking enthusiasts. I use a combination of glue and brad nails in order to hold everything together. I use a Japanese saw to take care of any overhang that I have on the project. And I go over the whole drawer with the sander. I put 4 coats of polyurethane with sanding in between. We also have an eBay store where we sell a lot of our projects, including our best sellers, our walking sticks. We'll make sure to include all of the links inside of the description below. Since these drawer slides are not designed for this cabinet, we're going to have to make some adjustments. So if I was to install this drawer as is without any adjustments, I would hit in these 4 locations. So I need to make a couple shims so it clears the cabinet. I need a 3/8 shim to go underneath the drawer slide, and I need a 5/8 shim in order to clear this hinge, and I need to do the same thing with both sides. After I insert the shims, it pulls out easily. And here is the final product.